guys, so today we're gonna be driving these remote control cars. So those who don't know where I got this from, my aunt gave this to me for Christmas, and it's very nice, and it's so heavy. And Oliver has one, and he just got it. So let's do this. And make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to our channel for new, and put on notifications button to be on the notification squad. Okay,
let's do it.
So first I have to put this on. This is pretty cool because it can go on almost anything. And Oliver is just over there or somewhere. And let's do this. Oh, and tell us on the comments what you got for Christmas and if you have these remote control cars. So guys, I don't know if Oliver's going to be in the video because he's pretty far from us. Tell us in the comments if you like this speaker. So Oliver's is heavy. Oliver's is fat. Mine's is heavier. So those who don't know where I am, we are at Alameda somewhere by the beach.
Okay, is that about it?
Nope.
I think they've seen it, right? Okay, Desi, one more minute, okay?
Oh, and guys, we're probably going to do a video of where we show you all our presents pretty soon. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video here. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to our channel for me, and the notifications button to be in notifications. And make sure you find us on other videos. It is right on the upload section. So.
Okay.